Hello everyone. For today's course, we're going to learn how to build this terrain and the topography in Rhino. It's very important for all the students who are studying architectural study, or even for some professionals who are working to build this kind of shape. It helps them to make a wise plan, to see a situation which is very close to realistic situation, how this building is going on a simulation topographic situation. Now let's see another picture. You see this kind of shape. This kind of shape is made by laser cutting technology. It's very important. Every student in architecture school will use that. And this is the digital model. Now let's get started. How it exactly built in Rhino. Now jump to the Rhino. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna learn how actually the patch commands work. So I already drew some geometry in working space. Now let's see the first one. Okay, go to the surface form tool sector, use patch. Okay, select curve, this one. Okay, right now, surface U spans, I use 1. The V span, use 1. Okay, we got this surface. Now, we need to review some knowledge in previous course. I told you all the geometry in Rhino is a 4-size geometry. This one, pretty much the same. For some reason, oh, it has 6 sides, right? It doesn't look like it has 4 sides. Now I turn on the control point. You see, this one is the trimmed geometry. So basically, the original form is 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides. Right, let me show you how actually mean. If I do that again, I turn this off. I turn automatic trim off. You see, it will automatically form a 4-size geometry and trim the shape we don't want outside. And now we get our results. That's the logic, how it works. Delete it. Do it again. Trim. Done. Now let's next one. Okay, so we do the same method again. So all select those points, spare outside, and those points have different heights as well. Okay, select it. Use patch, automatic trim. Okay, you see, so normally once you select the point, the surface should be attached to points exactly on the surface. But so right now it's kind of, there's an error happen here, so we need to fix that. The reason this kind of error will happen is when you use patch commands, the UV spans number is not enough. So it can't form a curvy shape because the UV spans is too less. It can't make the shape wavy. You can try to understand in that way. So use patch, select all. Oh, sorry, I delete the original shape. Use patch, select all. But this time, I give it a larger number, maybe 25, and 25, still automatic trim. You see, you have more UV spine, so the surface have more space to wavy. See, now the surface can touch the points perfectly. Okay, that's how That's what's the meaning of the UV span. You just understand in this way. The density, the cubic density is high, so they have more space to be wavy. Okay. Now let's look at the third one. For this one, if you need to form a topography on a curvy shape, so what will happen? Now I will explain how the tangency menu mean. Okay, I select this, still use patch, and select this edge. If it's still 25, I give a even more larger number, give more space. Automatic train. Okay, now you are full survey, but I need this surface connect to the base more smooth. Because right now it just simply form a survey on the upper space. So I delete it. Do that again. I need to click adjust tangency. You see, it's for a tangent angle here. So the new surface can attach the original one 100% smooth. That's how the tangency work. Alright, now let's look the next one. Yep, let's look this one. If I wanna draw a surface, a plane can be attached on those random points. So what am I gonna do? Okay, I first use this tool. Now I need to make those plane wavy and attach to those points. So I still use patch, select all of them. But this time I need to start the surface, select starting surface, okay. Select OK. Now, where's the point and where the surface will go? Okay, let's do that again. Select those things. Okay, just select point and hatch, surface, and preserve edge 30 30. I don't want to adjust tendency, that's useless. Okay, right now the shape is not for a tangency angle. This will look like that. That's how to make a plane become a topography shape. Okay, now look, the last one. This is the most important one. Right now it's very easy for you guys to build a terrain. So do the patch order, select those things, automatic train. Okay, now we get our terrain, but the problem showed up. It's not very suitable for laser cutting because the image we require is like that. It's not that smooth because it's easy for laser cutting machine to process. Otherwise, even though all curvy line, the surface will be very smooth. That will cost you a lot of money. So how to achieve that? It's quite useful for just build a digital model, but it's not very good for physical model. So delete it first. But this time we use a different command. So select those curve and use planar survey. Now we got our surface. Now we just need to extrude all this surface to a suitable height. So we need to select the surface out and go here, select tool, select poly surface. Now, so right now we just select the surface and extrude. See? Now we got our results. It's kind of a little bit different than the patch command, but still quite useful. It is especially very useful for you to use laser cutting to build your physical model. Physical model terrain, and then you can see, put your model on this terrain. Okay. Now, that's all for share for today. Thanks for watching. Okay, that will be all for today. Thanks for watching.